how to make how to make everyday electronic sounds on Crappie DXD Vocator on Chrome and on KineMaster. Audio input, I choose Samsung logo balls. Camera input, I do everyday electronic sounds. Then play it. Hold on. Let's play it again. Now download. Go to KineMaster. Color changer. That. 2 keyframes. Turn shift. Fisheye. Another fisheye. Shapes, usually circle. Sound will be off. Now go to audio. And here are our results. Save.
Oh. Alright, I gotta. Oh, man.
Now go to YouTube. Hey guys. I used to watch that, fork with the video, I used to watch that video 3 years with that fork. And my mom told me not to watch it. Okay. Now go to everyday. I'm gonna type in Samsung logo ball. Everyday electronics sound. And I'm gonna type in and then Samsung logo balls and everyday electronic sounds. I did the remake one. Okay. This is how you make it, guys, okay? Bye. See you later in the next video.